Good morning. Welcome to this guided meditation for a high energy day. I'm your guide, Sophie. This is your time to connect to your inner power, your inspiration, and your priority for today, and to tap into your full potential. You deserve to feel energized, confident, and in control of your day, both in your body and in your life. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position, feet grounded on the earth. Rest your hands on your lap or on your heart, wherever feels most supportive today. Gently close your eyes if that feels good to you. Start by noticing your breath. No need to change it just yet. Just notice the rhythm, the sounds, the feeling of the air coming in and out. With each inhale, feel the breath entering your body like a wave of energy. With each exhale, let go of anything that might weigh you down today. Now let's bring some energy in. Sway your body gently from side to side. Wiggle your fingers and shake out your wrists. Maybe roll your shoulders back. You might start to feel the energy starting to move through you, or you might see it in your mind's eye. You're waking up your body and waking up your new day. Take a deep inhale now and stretch your arms overhead. Reach up like you're reaching for possibility. Exhale, hands to heart. Again, inhale. Arms rise, feel the energy rising with you. Exhale, hands to heart. And one more time, inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Hands on your lap or back on your heart. Now imagine a glowing light of energy at your feet, flowing up from the earth. It's vibrant and warm. It might have a specific color. With your next inhale, breathe the light of energy in through your feet, up your legs, through your core and chest, all the way to the crown of your head. Exhale, let that energy settle in every cell of your body. You're filling yourself with vitality and a feeling of anticipation, of excitement for your day. Now picture yourself moving through your day with high energy and clarity. However you experience this is just fine. Today, you are prioritizing your well-being with nourishing meals, movement, and rest. You look and feel confident and calm. You know you will be making aligned, empowered, and healthy choices today. And when your energy dips today, you will refill your cup with a healthy option. It might be a walk, a breath, a glass of water, a chat with a friend, a stretch. Choose one method now and lock it in. Smile. You've got this. That's your go-to energy booster today. Now take a moment to set your intention for this high energy day. What quality will you embody? What do you want to keep in mind? Name it. Feel it. Rub your palms together now, gently creating warmth and physical energy. Place your hands over your heart, feeling the heat and the energy you've just cultivated. Smile. You have set the tone for a beautiful, energized day. You can be proud of yourself. And I hope to see you again tomorrow.